Pop Danthology.
Keep you here, cause you dry my tears. Yeah, summer loving and fights, how it is for us, and it's all because now if we're talking body,
I want the time of my life. Since you're running out of time, what do you
put it on me.
give me the time of my life? I was running through the six with my woes. Running through the six with my woes.
Hearing nothing but a smell built on the floor, and you whisper in my ear, baby, I'm yours. Oh, just the thought of you gets me so high, so high.
Oh my mind, looking like a good, good time. Don't be shy, the way you wanna love tonight. Oh my mind, hook you with a brand new high. Don't be shy, I just wanna live tonight. First, let me hop out the work. You used to call me on my
Yes, please, won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need living long and let the sun on me.
Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life.
Sugar, yes, please, won't you come and put it down on me?
I want you to know,
As long as you can install my heart,
because
you're beautiful.
I want you to know,
That you never let go. So darling, hold my hand, don't let me go.
Yes, please.
Just wanna dance all night to a song and never dance with me.
you and me are the same.
I was running through the six with my woes.
Hey guys, so that was part 1 of Pop Danthology 2015. I also made a part 2, so make sure you go check that one out as well. Now this version that you just heard on YouTube is not the full version. For the full version, head on over to my website, my Facebook page, or my SoundCloud. Thanks.
Waited so long. 'Cause I still got a lot of left in me. Better have my money. Pay me what you want.
Remember when you tried to write me off? Remember when you thought I'd take a loss? Don't you remember? You thought that I would need you. Follow procedure. Remember? Oh wait, you got amnesia. It was my season for battle wounds, battle scars, body bump, bruise, stabbed in the back, brimstone fire jumping through. Still all my life I got money and power, and you gotta live with the bad blood now.
Midnight, some people want me. Come and pick me up, no headlight. I say no way, try again another day. Long drive, I should be happy. And in burning flames, your paradise. I just won't play, letting my life get away.
Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now?
I'm so sick of that love. So sick of that same old love. Find the light inside our universe now. Ain't nobody keeping holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say. 'Cause I'm about to put them
I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love
me
you.
like you do. Love me like you do.
I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love
Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Hey guys, so that was part 2 of Pop Danthology 2015. There's also a part 1, so if you haven't seen that one yet, make sure you go check that one out as well. Now this version that you just heard on YouTube is not the full version. For the full version, head on over to my website, my Facebook page, or my SoundCloud. Thanks.